Hey guys, this is me Uday and you are watching Tech Surge, and in this video I will unbox and review Atong MH15 True Wireless Earbuds. So before we get started, if you are new to the channel then do subscribe us and press the bell notification icon to get notified every time I post a new video. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So this is the box of Atong H15 TWS. Now at the box it is mentioned that it supports Android and iOS, but not only these two, it supports any device which has Bluetooth. Now it has touch controls, so you can control the music by touching or holding the earbuds. Binaural call, it means both the earbuds have their own microphone, so you can use them in stereo mode as well as in mono mode. Now at the bottom of the box, the manufacturing details are mentioned along with the customer service email, website, and it is a made in India product. Now let us unbox this and see what we get inside it. So opening up the box, first we get a thank you card. Then we get the earbuds itself. So let us keep this aside and see what else do we have. So we have 3 pairs of extra earbuds of different sizes. Then we get a Type-C charging cable. Now at the last we get the user manual, which has some of its specifications mentioned, like it has Bluetooth version 5.0, IPX5 water resistance and a lot more. Now let us move to the earbuds. Now at the front we get the Atong M branding and it has a matte black plastic finish. At the back it has a tiny LED indicator with a Type-C charging port. So the case is very small and compact, which makes it easy to carry. Now let's open this. So it has magnets and it works pretty good. Now let us take out the earbuds. So the earbuds have a glossy finish on the front side, while on the back they have matte finishing. The earbuds have magnets too, so they will not fall off the battery case. So these earbuds have touch sensors through which you can control the music. Also these are very small and they fit very well in the ear. So overall I will say the build quality of the earbuds as well as the battery case is pretty good. Now let's see how you can connect this with your smartphone. So now open Bluetooth in your device and take out the earbuds out of the charging case. So they have instant wake and pair feature, that means they will automatically get connected once they are paired with a device. So if you want to connect a single earbud, you can just take out the single one, or if you want to use both, then you can take out both. So the connectivity is fast and the transmission range is around 10 meters. Now let's see how you can control the music through the earbuds. So double tap on the right earbud will move you to the next song, while double tapping on the left one will move you to the previous song. Single tap on both the earbuds will play and pause the music. And to enable Google Assistant or Siri, you need to long press the earbud for 3 seconds. Now let us talk about the main thing, which is the sound quality of the earbuds. So it has 7.2 mm drivers which produce clear vocals, good treble. The bass I will say is decent and it is not very deep, but it has excellent noise cancellation at this price. So overall I will say the sound quality is very crisp and clear, good for watching movies and listening music with not very punchy bass. Now let us talk about the battery capacity and the charging time of the earbuds. It has a Type-C charging cable, so it charges fastly and takes around 70 minutes to fully charge. The battery backup of each earbud is around 3 hours, while that of the charging case is hardly around 10 to 12 hours. Now let us talk about the call quality. So in stereo mode it is poor, but while using a single earbud the call quality is decent. Now should you buy this or not? So it is available on Amazon for 999 rupees, and at this price it offers a lot of features like a very compact design, Type-C charging, digital battery indicator, stereo and mono mode, noise cancellation and a good and clear sound quality. But it has some cons too, like the bass is not very deep and the call quality is not good. So if you are a basshead and you need a TWS for calling, then this is not recommended to you. But if you don't need a very deep bass, then this is something you should definitely consider checking out. So the best buy link of the product will be in the description section, from where you can buy it and support the channel. So that's it in the video, and if you did enjoyed the video, then do give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.